Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn the effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. In my previous video we have already discussed the effect of solute and solvent on the solubility. You can watch this video by clicking the link in my descriptions. So we can just briefly describe what is solubility. The amount of solute required to saturate 100 grams of solvent at a given temperature. This is called solubility. And we can write it as solubility is equal to the mass of solute in gram divided by the mass of solvent in gram multiply the 100. Now we will discuss what is the effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. So first we will take the effect of pressure. As we know that pressure has no effect on solubility of solid and liquid. Generally, the solubility of gases in a liquid increases with increase in external pressure. And at a constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the external pressure. For example, in a cold drink, the carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water under 3 to 5 atmospheric pressure, and then these bottles are sealed under this pressure, and when the bottle is opened, the external pressure reduces to 1 atmosphere again, and as a result the solubility of gas decreases and the excess of carbon dioxide escape from the solution with bubbles. So in short, we can say that the effect of pressure on solubility of solid and liquids are negligible, but the solubility of gases in a liquid increases with increase in external pressure. Next, we will discuss the effect of temperature on solubility. The solubility of a solid in a liquid usually increases with increase in temperature. However, there are some exceptions. To understand this, we take 3 types of reaction, that is exothermic, endothermic and isothermic. As we know that in the exothermic reaction, the heat is released from the chemical reaction, and the example of exothermic reaction is when we dissolve calcium hydroxide in water, the heat is released from this solution, and when we increase the temperature of this solution or this chemical reaction, then the solubility of calcium hydroxide will decrease. Similarly, in the endothermic reaction, the heat is absorbed, and the example of endothermic reaction is when we dissolve ammonium chloride in water, and this is the example of endothermic reaction. And in this reaction when we increase the temperature of this reaction by giving the heat, then the solubility of ammonium chloride will increase in water. So in the endothermic reaction, the solubility will increases. And lastly, in the isothermic reaction, there is no increase or decrease solubility. In other words, we can say that no effect on solubility in the isothermic reaction. And the example of this reaction is when we dissolve sodium chloride in water, then if we increase or decrease the temperature of this solution, then there is no effect on solubility of sodium chloride. So in short, we can say that the solubility will decrease in the exothermic reaction, it will increase in the endothermic reaction, and it remain constant in the isothermic reaction. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.